Hello friends, so today we are learning some basic formats in MS Excel. I have one data, it's a mark sheet of some students. Students name, gender and some subjects are there and their marks are given there. Total is there, average is there. So if you want to write title on the top of this data, so how you will do? So first of all, here you write what title you want to write. Like I want to write student mark sheet. Okay, this is the title. So we want this title in the center in the bold letter. Okay, so first of all, what should you do? You just select this row. Okay, then go to home tab and there is one option merge and center. Just you merge and center. Now your title is in the center and these rows are merged. Yeah, from F to N. You select the area till where the data is in date. Okay, the data is till N, begins from F. So you select this much area only. Don't select extra. Okay. Okay. Now this is our title. So we need to increase the size. Yeah. So go to home and how much size you want. Okay. First, for example, 20. You want to give bold, and if you want to give color, so any color you can choose from here. So in this way, we can give title to our data. Okay. So while printing, this is very useful. Okay. For other thing, don't use this. So while printing, we can use this title. Okay. So next is the how to this data you can see it is on the right side. Okay. How to change. So first select this, go to home and here is one option alignment. If you do left, it comes left. It comes center. It comes right. Okay. This is the very basic thing, but maybe some other people may not know. Okay, so this marks also, if you want to write, if you want to change alignment, go to home and select the alignment center. I have changed to center. Okay, so in this way, we can change the alignment of the marks. In the this is a long name, just for example, I gave you. Select here, keep your cursor, go to home, and there is one option wrap text. Okay, if you wrap, it comes in the same column. In the same way, if you want to add new column, okay, just here is student name. For example, if you want to add here one new column, so just select this here, right click, go to insert this side. Okay, if you want to add here, just click here, right click and insert. So in this way, we can insert new column. So friends, for today, this much only. I have told you some basic formatting things in the Excel. In the future video, I'll tell you more about Excel. So keep on watching and follow my channel.